Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, it's an effort to circulate best career opportunities. Hi guys, this is Ahmad Hussain and I am here with the best internship opportunities from MNCs for summer 2021. Internship opportunity number 5. Student internship opportunity SOC design at Intel Bangalore. So applications are invited from eligible candidates for a student internship opportunity at Intel Bangalore. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California in Silicon Valley. It is the world's largest semiconductor chip manufacturer by revenue and is the developer of microprocessors found in most personal computers. Intel ranked number 45 in the 2020 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. The eligibility qualification for the applicant is Bachelor's in Engineering or Master's in Engineering. Interested applicants can apply for the post through the link provided in the description. Internship opportunity number 4. Field Sales Engineer at Cisco Bangalore. The Global Sales Internship Program is specifically designed for the university juniors and offers the opportunity to gain experience and grow with Cisco. The purpose of this program is to expose students to Cisco's technology and customers while providing hands-on training and group projects. Upon completion of the internship, opportunities exist to become Cisco's next generation of sales engineering leaders through an accelerated early in career development path named CSAP, Cisco Sales Associate Program. The eligibility of the candidate is that the candidate must be pursuing a BE Tech or ME Tech degree in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, MIS, and an emphasis on software design practices preferred. The candidate must have a passion for technology. Experience in one or more of the following skills is preferred: JavaScript, CSS, Ruby, C, C++, understanding of databases, creative thinking and problem solving skills, strong team network, communications, influencing and organization skills. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. Remember that the internship starts from 7th of June 2021. The internship duration will be of 9 weeks. Interested candidates can click the link in the description below. Internship opportunity number 3. So here is an internship from DigiLocker. Applications are invited from skilled and motivated young people to serve as interns at any JD for DigiLocker project. The purpose of the internship is to provide an opportunity for individuals to contribute and learn from our work. The intern will be given specific tasks and responsibilities and will be challenged to develop their capabilities and gain experience. The interns are expected to be flexible and provide time-bound delivery of the assigned task. The opportunity is available in the area of Android mobile developer. The internships are on a voluntary basis. An intern is not entitled to wages or a promise of employment at the completion of the internship. No office space will be provided and the interns will have to work from home. An internship certificate will be awarded after the successful completion of the internship. Contribution to DigiLocker can be a rewarding way to learn, teach, help and build experience. Since DigiLocker is a citizen-centric application built by Government of India, contributing to this project will mean that you are serving the citizens of India in providing better service delivery. Remember that the last date for receiving application is 15th of April 2021. Internship opportunity number 2. So here is Finance Analyst internship at Amazon Bengaluru. So Amazon Bengaluru invites internship applications as Finance Analyst for the year 2021. The analyst will support the business and finance leader by producing and delivering financial analysis that would facilitate corrective actions and right decision making. This person would define business and financial metrics considering worldwide reporting processes and local business need and shall build a process to capture and analyze these metrics on a weekly interval. The basic qualifications required are that the candidate must have completed 2 years of articleship, possess strong communication and leadership skills, able to work in an environment with tight deadlines, have an absolute passion for ensuring a great customer experience, possess exceptional skills in data analysis, outstanding attention to details, exceptional problem solving and analytical skills, experienced in business process improvement, experienced in interacting with wide set of stakeholders such as operations, technology and business leaders. The candidate must have basic knowledge of accounting and finance, proficiency in Excel, and knowledge of SQL. Interested applicants can apply for the post through the link provided in the description. Internship opportunity number 1. So here is an internship opportunity, India Support Engineer at Microsoft, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. So Microsoft invites internship applications for India Support Engineer intern for Bengaluru and Hyderabad locations for the year 2021. A support professional is responsible for providing quality support to its customers with a high degree of customer satisfaction, provide responsive and reliable technical solutions and information to the Microsoft customers. So a support engineer does not only resolve a customer's issue, they resolve the customer's issue and build loyalty with the customer. Each customer that they help is an opportunity to create a loyal customer and for that customer to in turn become an ongoing Microsoft advocate. So the focus is mainly on engineers who can demonstrate the trusted advisor mindset and believe in providing high quality experience to the customers. The internship locations would be Bangalore, Karnataka, India, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Interested candidates can click on the link provided in the description below for registration. So this was all from our side, and here are the best internship opportunities from MNCs that we have picked for you for applying in this summer 2021. For any queries, comment in the comment section below. Also tell us what is your course of study and the internship you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends so that they can be benefited too.